The fourth season of the American TV show Johnson, set to premiere on August 3rd, will showcase a dynamic portrayal of life in the Bahamas. During an interview, Bahamian filmmaker Lavado Stubbs expressed his excitement at directing the show's latest season.
What's really cool about the project is it's definitely going to help our Bahamian industry and further our industry. I always like to say and always state this, that I'm a Bahamian filmmaker first before being a filmmaker. So being a Bahamian director, this project has been amazing. It's been one of those things that it adds, and I could be the vehicle to showcase to other young Bahamians, filmmakers, or young Bahamian creatives that they could get this opportunity and showcase their skills and their skill set to the world on an international project.
Deji LaRae, the writer and producer of Johnson, and Risha Archibald, the show's executive producer, spoke to their decision to film here in the islands of the Bahamas.
The country took us in, showed us a lot of love and support, so we have to make sure that we are careful in how we represent the country as well in all aspects of the show. So that's something that we planned early on. Made sure we connected with Lavado Stubbs, Conch Boy Films. He was very instrumental.
So it only makes sense to bring somebody on to direct who understands the culture here, because we wanted to make sure that everything we did on the island was very authentic. We didn't want to just come here and just show we're in the Caribbean. We wanted to show the culture. And so what better way to do that than involve somebody who is not only a creative and a filmmaker, but a director as well.
Senator Randy Roll of the Ministry of Tourism, Investments and Aviation explained how the show marks just the beginning of the Bahamas' foray into the filmmaking industry.
We're taking an aggressive approach in the film space altogether. And so once we're aggressive, once we go out there, we can't just sit and wait for these things to come to us. We need to go out there and get it. I think this is the results of going out there, knowing what's happening, and going out there, doing our research, and getting shows to come to the Bahamas.
For more tourism updates, visit Tourism Today or Bahamas.com. I'm Michael Miller, and this is Tourism Today.